Okay, here I am again with this year's. Are you ready for this jelly? Right, earthed again, speakers, jellies, all hooked up. Okay, to the Makey Makey, all hooked up to. Right, hold on a minute here. I'm just logging in. Okay, again, sound plant. I've got, along those keys, I've got my samples from Desi's Chill Beyonce, for example. See what I mean? So I'll do that again. Here we're going to go do my DJing. However, when I touch the jellies, see that? It's becoming a noise now. Putting my students off. They're all working on their Makey Makey tasks. Okay? But that's how we're looking at our Makey Makey as part of the design process in the CFE Technologies curriculum. And it links the science of it to show how we can address different curricular areas in a cohesive and purposeful fashion. So look forward to the students come up with next week. Okay? Yes, I hope they've got lots of questions.